Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this lecture we will know how to get the order history of our trades using Zerodha API. So this is basically the documentation. If we go to the order history, so we have this API to retrieve all the history of a particular order. So for that we need to pass the order ID. So let me go to these orders that I have created, and if we go to the info part, we have this order ID. So let me copy this one and move to the implementation part. So we need to call this order history, and order ID we need to pass, and let us print the order history. It must return some list of values. So you can see that this is the order history data. It is placed by the user. This is the order ID, exchange order ID. This status is AMO request received. Status matches is none. Order stamp is of now. So the trading symbol Asian Paint. Exchange is NAC. Instrument token of a stock. Order type is market. Transaction type is buy. It is buy. So it returns all of this information in the form of dictionary. So let us do it in a better way. So let us convert it into a tabular data using data frame. Equal to pd dot data frame. So let us run it again. So yeah, it has 1 by 33 columns. It returns the data in the form of table. So that is guys. So if you have liked my video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.